Savioth is all about alleviating immediate poverty and distributing relief aid with the neediest in our communities.
Igama lami ngiyandisa Machozi ngihlala eMandleni Squatter Camp. Isabioth yasisela inkonzo enkulu yasimemezela ukuthi size siyesaya ke kwabamnandi yasithanazela abagulayo nabanenkinga yaphinde yasinikeza ukudla emva kwalokho mina lapho ngeke ngazuza ngathola umsebenzi. Sifuna ukuthi samukele uJesu sibe baningi abanye abantu abazi ngoNkulunkulu. Sicela ukuthi iSabioth iphinde ibuyele emandleni futhi. Siyabonga ngalokho.
Are you aware that 57% of South Africa's population is living below the poverty income line? And that there are over 190 informal settlements in the Gauteng area alone. There are an estimated 2 million households that have been reduced to making their home in an informal settlement. Today, literally thousands of people are hungry, homeless, and desperate for a helping hand. Through your personal and corporate support, we will be able to restore dignity and hope to those who need it most, through hands-on distribution of food, medicine, and relief aid. Savioth is already making an impact in our local community and changing the lives of many people in our beautiful country. People helping people is the way to go.
Hi, I'm Jonathan McCoyna. I agree, people helping people is the way going forward. I definitely support the vision of Savioth, and I challenge you to do the same to change people's lives.